Tumeamka asubuhi ya leo, si kwa nguvu zetu, ni kwa neema ya Bwana.
Hello, what's up, beautiful, amazing people. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Mama Ann's Family YouTube channel, guys. My name is Agi. Yeah, it's right here. I'm just coming live from my home, from where I'm married, guys. And right now, it's a lunchtime. Yeah, guys, it's a lunchtime. I was busy today, as you see.
It's almost a lunchtime.
Yeah, it is almost lunchtime. So I was washing my clothes, our clothes. So I have just come right now. So I want, yeah. So welcome back. If you haven't subscribed to Mama Ann's Family, kindly consider to subscribe, like the video, share, and also comments. Let us know what you think about our video, guys. We really love you so much. We don't take you for granted. Yeah, so we want to prepare for our family, guys, the most delicious meal ever. So keep on watching till the end. Yeah, let us know, guys, yeah, to the comment section on how you think about this video, guys, and God will bless you abundantly. Yeah, yes. So guys, this is what I want to do. I want to cook the chicken.
Do you know how to kill the hen?
No. You just come.
Today I will see how you kill the hen.
I kill.
Yeah. You change.
So after that now,
You remove the waste product from inside the hen.
yeah. Jay, Jaden, say Jaden, sema hi kwa kamera. Sema hi. Sema hi.
Kukia nani? Yangu. Chinda kuki yangu.
Want to remove the school uniform.
Baba, anaenda tu wangu ya shule. Put it inside. huko ndani utoe uniform. It has a lot of fat, guys.
What is that pang of ours?
Just use it. It's okay.
Moto.
It has a lot of fat.
Mama,
Yeah?
kuna uji shuleni.
Wacha nakuja kukuwekea uji. Rudisha hiyo thermos usijue upasue jide. It is very hot. So, this one we are not going to cook them. Let me wash this one. Bring where we are going to put this one. Where are we going to put?
I don't.
Bring this free. We put this one.
Let me take for you this. Let me be a camera woman.
A cameraman or a cameraman. Where do you put the knife?
You're the one who you are using
No, we didn't do it.
is here.
It is there. Okay. It is there now. It is okay. I put the fat, the cooking fat. This is almost over. Now guys, I'm doing faster because the Glory is going back to school. When she will come and find that the food is not ready, she will start crying. My husband, the knife is not that sharp.
But we were using that one.
It's not that sharp. Let me bring something to cover it. Wait. Let me put now on the side. But before I put water, let it take time. Yeah, so good people. Let us add water. Not a lot of water, just a little. Just a little water. It will boil all of these. So let us cover it then. Yeah. Now we wait. So let me take something. You know that you can't eat without the grill.
You like veggies?
Yeah, good. Like veggies.
Natasha.
Let me just.
Yeah, Bob. Come on.
So this would be enough.
This will be enough.
Yeah. So just come. So you know we have to do like this. In a traditional way. So let me just put water. Just cook with this small one, this small sufuria. Cover it, then I wait to boil, then I put. Yeah, guys, let me just go and bring let me show you guys something. Let me show you something. Just come. You know, guys, this is what we always put in the mrenda. This one.
You said traditional one.
Yeah, the traditional one. You know, this is best than the one that we always buy. Because that one that we buy, it has some chemicals. So it is good we use this one. It is very nice that we use this one. Down there. Like that. Let us go now. Yeah, like that, guys. So guys, the water has already boiled. Come closer so that they can see. The water has already boiled, so I'm shivering the jivu. Yeah, like that. Like that, it turned like that one, guys, you see. Then I add my whatever.
Mrenda.
My mrenda. I think the water, you can just add the water because that is. Then I cover it, guys, like that.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, just go on.
Why did you put salt?
Salt. Okay, I will put salt. Let it boil, then I will put salt. Yeah, let it boil first. Then I put salt. Yeah, so you know, blood is almost to come. That's why I'm just doing it faster. So that when she came, she find that the food is already in the, though she will not find the food already in the table, but at least it will be near.
Near.
Yeah, it will be near. You know the reason as to why we cover the food? It is to kuiva haraka, because to observe the moisture, because that moisture that is just coming out, when you cover it like this one, the moisture goes up, so the food inaiva haraka when you cover it like that one.
Someone,
it like this one.
someone is calling you. I'm single Gloria is coming for lunch.
I can just use this one to cook because I have heard that the visitors are coming. So let me just use this big soup here. Because I have heard that the visitors are coming to visit me. So let me just put this big one. So this one is ready. It's ready now. Come close here so people can just see how it has just looked, guys. Just look. Just look. Very nice.
Delicious.
Now put the ugali. Is that water be enough? Let me just add it. So the water is ready now. I want to cook the ugali. I want to cook the ugali, guys. This is the brown ugali. Just put the little. Just a little fry. Come and help me.
I don't know how to cook that.
Come and
Ugali.
help me on cooking.
I don't know.
You know this ugali is very too many. So I have never cooked a lot of ugali like this one on the gas. So this is the first one. It is going to give me a big headache. So kama umeiva bado hamjachelewa, ni saa 7:17. Kaa. Ni 7:17 uende shule hizi. Kaa basi.
Utakula niku.
Yeah, so guys, I'm done on cooking. The ugali is here. So I think now also the mbogas. So let me just put it inside here. Let me just put it inside. So nakanenda hapo kwa kujaitive. is ready. It is ready, guys. Let's put it inside here. Down we go and eat. Oh my God.
Can go.
We can go, just close the door. Wash your hand.
Thank you. So,
These are the meal, guys.
I like this one.
You like which one?
This one.
So guys, welcome as we enjoy the meal.
We have removed our shirt. Even you want to eat.
How is it?
It's good.
Very delicious.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You know how to cook. To make a delicious food.
Thank you. Guys, you know me, in the part of the chicken, I really like this one.
But me, I like this one. Kibundu.
That is for me.
See, hold. I was hungry.
Even I was very hungry. You're so good, people. We are full, my husband.
Yeah.
I hope now you are full.
I'm full, Baba.
You are full.
I have eaten hen.
Huh.
I'm feeling like I'm full.
Okay. Yes, so good, people. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for the love and support. God bless abundantly for always coming to watch our video. Mama Ann's family, we really love you so much for your time. Yeah, God bless abundance. So good, people. I'm going to end this video here. I hope you have really enjoyed today's video, the cooking in the village, guys. Yeah, thank you so much. We will meet on the next video. We say bye bye.